Yeah, good evening, students. Yeah, please, can anyone respond? Lokesh, Raghu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, is my voice audible? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the response. Okay, today I will start with one more command in assembly. Then I will show the assembly of 4-bar mechanism that previously which we had drawn. How we are going to do the assembly for 4-bar mechanism that I will show, and I will draw one or two examples in the 2D diagrams or 3D diagrams. One 2D diagram and one 3D diagram I will show. Alright, today, right, I will start with one 2D diagram and I will go with the part design. I will save some of the two parts and I will show one new command. In assembly, right, I will select one center rectangle, give the dimensions 160, no problem. Make it as also 160. Enter. Some of them are waiting in lobby. Right after that, exit workbench. I will give some small part of thickness. Like I will give 25 enough. Control Z. I need to change the dimensions. Here I will decrease this one. Make it as 55. Okay. And height also not this much, 120. Okay. This one I will make to 40. At exit workbench, pad. Right, I will save this part as file, save as. In pictures only, I will save it as part 1. Part 1 is already existed. Where is part 1? The items we just got one is already existed. Do you want to overwrite my file? Oh, part 1 I need to write. Part 1, save. Right, I will draw one more circle. PA optic dot. Enter. XY direction. Sketch here. I will draw the circle from center point. And 80 I have given. I'll go with 200. Okay. Exit workbench. Make it the pad. I like to make it to 25. Okay. I will save this part also. file, save as part 2. Okay, now I will go to the mechanical design, assembly design. Alright, this is the existing component with positioning. This is the tool that I want to explain today. Right, first of all, we will go with the existing component. Select the existing component and select on the product. Now path will be asking. Now I will select the part 1 path. Okay. Right, I will hide this one. I will decrease the zoom percentage. Right, next I will select the one more component, circle. I will place the circle. Select the product. Asking for the path, select the part 2. Right, now I will use the manipulator button, or otherwise I can move it to the surface to surface. I can mate it. Right, just revolve it. Right, I will take this component, I will move in y direction and I will move in x direction. Right, now there is a gap between both the surfaces. Now select mate the surfaces with the using of surface to surface command. Where is the tool? Tool is not visible. 1 second. Some of them are waiting in lobby. Okay. Now I will go with the tools. Customize. Customize toolbars, restore all contents, okay, restore positions, okay, right, close this button, just drag on our tools, no need of this one, I will close it. Right, now this is the button, contact constraint. Press this one. Do not prompt this feature. Okay, close. Right, select the bottom surface and select this surface. Go to the update button. Right, here is the update button. Press the update button. It will match to the bottom of that surfaces. Now you can see the symbol of the locking symbol. It has been locking with the help of surface to surface. Now I will use this tool. This is the very important tool. Existing component with positioning. If you want to take the same component twice, then we are going to use this component, existing component with position. Just select that one. It will automatically ask the path. I will select this part 2 button only. Where it is? Right. Now it has been updated. Right. Here you can see that part 2.2 name is. So I had taken the same object and I am attaching towards the up direction. Without creating one more new object, I had selected the same object. Right. Select this one. Like this you can move, right, according to the position we can mate it. Just press on OK. You take the manipulator button, wherever you want you can manipulate select the object and we can manipulate. Right, if you want we can rotate it. Right, if you want we can take the axis button also. Right, now I will close this button. I will show this one, axis to axis button. Right, this is the coincidence. I will select the center of this first circle. Now I will select the center of the second circle. Just click on update button. It will automatically move. Right, now both the circles are at the center point. Alright, now I will mate with the surface to surface. Alright, select this surface. Right, select this surface and revolve some other direction. right? Select this surface, go to the update button, right? Automatically it will move, right? In this way we can select the already existing component can be come into this object, right? Without that object, this object can also be used, but we need to rename that object name. That is a one more method. Suppose I will show that also. I will press just enter, press the Ctrl Z button, undo. You need to know the shortcut commands for undo and redo. Ctrl Z is used for undo, right? Ctrl Y is for used for redo. I am repeating again. Ctrl Z is used for undo. Undo means it will come back. Redo means it will come forward. Ctrl Y. You can see both the commands. I am pressing in keyboard. Ctrl Z means backward. Ctrl Y means forward. Ctrl Z is called undo. Ctrl Y is called redo. Okay. Right. Now I will show one more method. Now I am clicking the existing component. It will ask for the path. Now I am selecting the same circle part 2 command. Now the error message will be occurred. No, sometimes it will ask for the renaming. No problem. Now it has been not changed. Okay, we'll show with one more part. I think. No. I will take this one. I will go with the part 1. I will try. Sometimes it will ask for the renaming also. Now also it has been asked. Now we can use with the help of manipulator. We can move it wherever we can. Select the object, and already it has been highlighted. Now I will move in Y direction. Right, like this I can move in both the plates. Like this we can have the existing component can be dragged by using the this button, existing component and existing component with position. This also we are going to use that one. Right, now I will go with one more new file. I will start the new assembly. I will show the 4-bar mechanism assembly. Right, select this command existing component. Select on product. Path will be asking here. Right, previously I had drawn all the 4 parts. First one, block, bolt, conrod, crank. These are all the not bolt. Block, conrod, crank, base. 1, 2, 3, 4. I highlighted the all the four components of the 4-bar mechanism. Here we need to think and remind. I need to observe that while we are taking the assembly parts, first we need to take the base component. Suppose for example, I have a base component will be there. If I select the base component, for that base component, how many components has to be attached? That is the main reason. For suppose if we take that connecting rod, if we take that knuckle joint, if we, which one will be the first choice? That should be preferred by the designer. Why? Because most of the components are for if it has one attachment, if we take that one, it is not useful for us. If we take 1 or 3 more, 2 or 3 more attachments is there, then we need to prefer that choice. Why? Because it is our base component. Selecting the first component is main preferable. It has to be one more than one joints. That is the main agenda of the selecting the component. Right? Okay. Press the base component. Now I will show how it will be useful. In assembly, it takes more time to load, but you need to wait until it has been updated. Why? Because in background it is going to be work more and more. Right? It takes more time for doing assembly, for doing G codes and M codes, for doing animation. It takes for doing analysis also. We can do analysis in CATIA also. I will show one video today. One more thing. Right. Here we need to have graphic card for getting the good animation result. We need to have the graphic card for the PC, and we need to increase the RAM. It should be minimum 8 and maximum 16. For 4 GB also it will run, but loading the component it takes more delay, and getting the result is more getting delay. That's why we need to upgrade our RAMs, and we need to, nowadays SSD has been entered, so I prefer only the SSD what we call hard disk. SSD hard disk is preferred for CATIA. SSD 8 GB and graphic card. Graphic card it will be 1 GB or 2 GB. Inbuilt graphic card is enough. Mainly RAM should be 8 or 16. If it is 16, it is very good. If it is 8, it is minimum configuration. Right? My RAM is 8 and my processor is i7 processor and 256 SSD. Right? Right. Now I will show, I have dragged the base component. Right? Now I will show the answer first, where we need to be, how the position of the base component should be fixed, that I will show in the answer. Then according to that you please fix the base component. Right? Slider crank. Right, all the 4 components has been drawn. Right, in this position you need to fix the base component. In this position you need to fix the base component. Right, otherwise I will go with assembly also. Where is the final figure of the assembly? Right, you see this one. In this way we need to give the fix. Right, change the orientation towards our side. It is used for rotate. Rotate is used by clicking the center button and right button of the mouse. We need to revolve the object. Right? Some more I need to revolve. Right. Now I will fix this component. For fixing, just click on part 2. Where is the fix button? Here is the fix button. You can see fix component. Right. After that, where it has been fixed. Right. Press the fix button and select the component. Fix button will be highlighted. Right. Now, what is the component that we need to take? Here you can observe by this figure. Can anyone say what is the next figure that I need to take? Name of the component that which I need to take the next one. Block or crank or conard, please tell answer. Hello?
Connecting rod, sir.
Connecting rod, no. Right, we need to take the block.
Sir.
Why? Because on the top of the base block will be placed, so that we need to take the block. After taking the block, we need to take conard after crank. Selecting the 1 by 1 component is also very, very important. Right? Okay. We can take the crank also, no problem. It is your order preference. Why? Because we need to move the block on the top of the base. That's why I am selecting block. Otherwise you can take the crank also. But here crank is placed to this one and this point. Right? So for this point block is used. For this point block is also used. That's why I will select the block. Right? Next, select this one, existing component. Already product has been highlighted, so it is going to be directly. I am selecting the block. Right? For updating it takes, right, here it has been command attached here. Can all of you observe this one? Right. Now what I need to do? I need to split the component or move the component by using the manipulator button. Both we can do. Select the component. Part 3 will be highlighted. Use the manipulator button. Next, move towards Z direction first. Right, move towards Y direction. Right, where I need to place? I need to place at the opposite direction of this hole. Opposite direction of this hole. Other side I need to place the block. Right, if you want I will show you the answer also. Right, see. in the same, both the output should be in the same direction, and the block should be on the top of that. It has to be opposite to the block. Right? Now what I will do, I will make the both the surfaces. Right? It has to be attached to the surfaces. Then I can move it. Right? Select the bottom. Select the contract constraint. Select the bottom surface of this one, and select the top surface of this one. Click on update. Right? It has placed on the top of the surface. Then select this one. Move along y-axis. No. Move along x-axis. Z direction. Right, once again we can do the update button by deleting this one. Cut. Now we can do the surface to surface mating. If it is very difficult, means you can zoom it so that it will be enlarged. Now we can select the base place. Select this one. Select this one. Click on update. Right. In this way, I had placed the second object on the top of the base. Now I need to take the canard or crank, whatever, whichever we can take it. Right. Select the existing component. Select the product. Auth will be asking. Select canard. Okay. Right, canard has been entered into our place. Right. Now this hole of the center, this block of the center has to be make alignment. Right. Now I will go with this one. What is this one? Coincidence constraint. Select this one. Select the axis of that one. 1 second, I will hide this one so that it will be great clarity. And I will also hide this one. Right. Now I will zoom it. I will move the manipulator to some side button. Right. I will do one thing. Right. Select the axis of this one. Now select the axis of this one. Click on update. Right. Now by moving the with manipulator button, I will move it towards this direction. Right. You need to see it should be in opposite direction. Right. Now axis to axis has been mated. Now I need to mate surface to surface. Right. I will select this one. Now I will select this one. Now I will select this one. Click on update. Surface has been not selected. Okay. Right. Click on update. Right. Now I can revolve this one by using the manipulator button. Manipulate. right, Z axis, చిన్నదే అనుకుంటున్నాను. Now make it to surface. Right, now I will take the third one. Right, take the other component, existing component, select the product, select the last one, crank. Right, crank, canard, block, base. Base first one, second one block, third one canard, fourth one crank. Next, crank has been selected. It will be updated. Now I need to select this one, coincidence constraint. It has been not done with axis, I think so. Center point is not showing. Right, I will go with contact with surfaces, no problem. I will deselect I will select this surface, select this surface, click on update. Now I will use the manipulator button. Actually it has not drawn with center point. If it is drawn with center point, I think it will become. I will zoom somewhat. I will zoom. Alright, center has been highlighted. Right, select this one. Click on update. Right. Now select another point. Select this one. Select this one. Click on update. Right, I think right, all the components has been assembled. Fit to screen, isometric view, fit to screen. Right, now you can see all the components has been assembled. In this way we need to make, after assembled that, you need to fix all the components. Select the part 2, part 3, part 5, part 4. Select all the components and click on fix button. All the components will be fixing. Right, in this way we need to make the assemble. After assemble, we can hide all these components like dragging this mouse button and click on hide. Next click on hide. Selecting the control button, we can hide all the things. Hide, and we can also hide this one also. I think object components will be also. Right, now you can see all the components has been hidden. Right, if you want, we can see the all the 4 views of this diagram also. Right, in this way we can see the 4 views. Otherwise we can take the right, for this we can make we need to make the animation. Right, the block will be moved towards this direction and this direction. Right, afterwards I will show. Right, now I will save this one, save in the pictures. Product 3 activates other documents, save operation. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Right, for again I am saying that for taking the capture image, capture, record entire screen. Right, save it as crank 4-bar mechanism. Right, otherwise we can take the print screen option also. Right, is it clear? All of you understand the 4-bar mechanism assembly? Please, if you are satisfied, then give the response in the message. Yes, sir. Please give the response. You just type it as Y, no problem. Okay. Right, okay, no problem. Thank you. Thank you. I will show 1 or 2 examples for the forthcoming classes also. Like that, I will do all the assembly models. Maximum I can tell up to 3 or 4 assembly models. Why? Because it is very difficult to draw individual part and making the assembly. And I will also show 1 or 2 examples. అది దోమలది అగ్గిపెడదా పండిత్
టైం కాలేదు ఇంక 20 నిమిషాల పైనే ఉంది.
పుట్టులో ఉండాలి అవన్నీ అడగట్టు. Right, now I will show the now I will draw the one 2D diagram and one 3D diagram. Right, where is the plot diagrams? But I forgotten yesterday I had shared one PDF, CATD PDF. Have you all received that one? I have dropped in the WhatsApp group. Please, can anyone respond?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. It is very, very important diagrams in that one. Whenever you take the coaching in CITD, they will send that group. They will practice all that figures. So I had struggled a lot to receive that one, and finally I got it. Actually, for that password is also protected. I removed password and I shared you. Right now I will show one diagram. AutoCAD CATIA exercise book. Few of two three pending is also there. I will share later on. Right, I will draw this one. What is that? First I will draw the L section. For drawing L section it is very easy, so that I will draw with L section. Then afterwards I will pad it. For drawing the L section it is 60, 70. Right, file, new, part, select the XY plane, go to the sketcher. Now I am drawing the L section. Second, some of them are omitted. Right, now I will draw the one line command. 70, 60. I will draw the x-axis also. Right, constraint. It is 70. Now base is 60. 60. Now I will draw with here to here it is 10. 10. Now I will draw one more line here. From here to here it is 60. Already 60 we noted, no problem, I can delete this one. Next, one more line. 60 minus 10, it is 50. If you want, we can measure it also. It is already 50. Now join these both lines. Right, L section has been drawn. It is totally, I have drawn 35 plus 45. 30 plus 40, 70, 80, 80 plus 10, 90. I had already drawn this thickness. No, I had drawn only. No, total it is 100. 35, 45, 45, 100. 45, 45, 90. Right, 90 I need to pad. Exit workbench. Edit. Some of these has been not joined. Enter. Right, now L section has been drawn. Right, I need to draw this one. Here it is 10, here it is 10. I need to draw one more line. Select this one, select this face, go to the sketcher. Alright, from here to here I need to draw a line. Right, I will do this one, reference on, and project this one. Now I will take the line from here to it is 10. It is automatically 10 has been came. Next from bottom to it is 10. Has been drawn. Directly draw the line from here to here. Alright, exit workbench. One second, sketcher. Next I need to reference on and remove this one. Right, exit workbench, pad. No, I need to draw the line. One second, go to the sketcher. Alright, draw the line. After that you need to trim this one. Delete. What is the thickness where it has given? It is also 10. Reverse direction 10, enter. Right, select this component where I had done this pad. The mirror coming. Total it is no problem. You can draw here. Sketcher, fit to screen. Right, it is already showing. Reverse direction 10. Okay, right. In this way we had completed this figure. Now there is a rectangle hole, and here also one rectangle hole, 35 distance, 15 height. Select this plane, go to the sketcher, fit to screen, reference on. We can have this one, project this one. Add side to the bottom one, this one only. Right, go to this one. Now here I need to draw the one rectangle. Here it is 35 distance. Enter. From bottom it is 20, total height is 70, uh, 70 minus 15, 70 minus 15 minus 20, 35 from top. Right, first I will do this one 15. Right, from top it is 35.
Daddy. Daddy.
One, right now we need to knock the after doing the projection it is taking double time, so హ్యాండ్ షో దిగు మా divided by 2. Right, exit workbench. Now pocket up to last. Okay. Right, here base also we need to draw one more rectangle hole. Right, fit to screen. 15, your length is given 15, distance is given 25. No problem, whatever the thing that we can draw. If the dimensions are not visible, we can assume it and we need to draw. I will make both the sides 15, 15, 15, enter. This side also I will make 15. Enter. Now I will take, what is the total distance? 90 90 minus 15 divided by 2. 90 minus 15 divided by 2. I will go with calculator. 90 minus 15, 75 divided by 2. 37.5. Now here also it is 60 minus 15, 45 divided by 2, 22.5. Let exit workbench, make it as pocket up to last. Right, fit to screen, right. If you want, we can hide this one, xy plane, yz plane, zx plane, hide. Alright, tools, image, capture, record, entire screen, saved as in JPG. Bitmap is there, you select here JPG. Right. Like this we will right. I will show one more figure, 2D figure. I had run this one yesterday. Right, this we will try. Control minus and you can here zoom it. Right, for this figure, here the baseline is given as from top to center. It is 196. Make it as 2 axis. Start. Machine design sketcher. Select the sketcher. XY plane. I need to close this command. File, new part. Okay. Right. Select the XY plane. Go to sketcher. Now it is 196. Take 2 axis lines. Select this axis line. Draw here and draw one more here. Make the distance between those two is 196. 196. Enter. Right, fit to screen. Next, draw a center pi of 50. Center circle pi of 50. Okay, no problem. Draw this point. Select this one. Pi of 50. Now move it to this point to this point, make it as 0. Right. Now here to here I need to draw 2 lines with an angle of 60. Take this line from this center point, draw like this. From this center point, draw like this. Angle is 60 degrees. 60. Enter. No, center right has been not come. Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will draw the axis line from here to here. I can select this one and this one, make it as 30 degrees so that it will come equally. Right, again this side, make it as 30 degrees so that it will be total 60. Right, okay. Now with the same point, bottom R31, radius 31, at the bottom of the line I need to draw this one. Select the circle, it is 125. న్యాన్స్ లోపలికి పో. From center point to this point it is 125. Now, okay, no problem. I will move this one to this point 0. Okay. I will draw this circle. Yes, 50. Okay. Next, I need to draw one more center line, axis line. I will draw from here. Always the axis line should be straight. From top to it is 196. Right. Now I will draw one more R31 circle. Radius 31. It is meeting. Pi means diameter or radius. Hello. Okay, I will draw this figure tomorrow. Today I will end the session. Thank you. We will meet tomorrow.